In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base4 integration credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to explore the catalog, and what to look for so you can confidently apply your credits to the integrations that fit your workflow. Start by heading to the Base4 app. Once you're in, look for the integrations area. This is your hub for discovering what's available and understanding how your credits can be used. Think of integration credits as your pass to enable and try integrations within your Base44 projects. We'll walk through how to evaluate options before you commit any of those credits. Inside the integrations section, you'll land in the catalog. Here you can browse through the available integrations at your own pace. Scrolling is great when you want inspiration or to see what's newly added. Take a moment to read the short descriptions on each card so you can quickly gauge what an integration does and whether it aligns with your needs. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar. Typing a product name or a capability helps you jump right to relevant results, saving both time and credits by focusing only on the best fit options. When you find an integration that looks promising, click on How to Use. This opens a clear, guided overview with practical setup details and any prerequisites you should be aware of. It's the fastest way to validate whether the integration matches your project's requirements before you spend credits. Use this page to confirm what the integration connects to, what data or permissions it needs, and whether it supports the outcomes you're targeting. Next, go to your Apps Integrations tab to make the actual connection. For example, if you're connecting Stripe, you'll do that from within your Apps Integrations area, and Base4 War will provide personalized prompts to guide you through. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and ensure you have the appropriate access for the account you're connecting. This step is where your integration credits come into play, so it's smart to double-check everything in the How to Use guide first. One important note, some integrations require backend functions which are only available on the Builder tier and above. If you see that requirement in the guide, review the available plans to confirm your account includes backend functions. If not, consider upgrading or selecting an integration that doesn't need backend features. That's it. Browse or search the catalog, open How to Use for clarity, then connect from your Apps Integrations tab with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making the most of your Base44 integration credits.